How's it going, folks? Back again, another video, another unboxing. See what I've got here. Box has been around the world, literally. There was a US post label here, come from Saudi. Well, I don't know what's in it. See what it is. Well, at least it's well taped. Let's crack this open. Tricky one to get into. It's got newspaper inside as well, so I'll be able to see where it's exactly come from. Is it a newspaper? No, it's a magazine. Maybe a porno, maybe not. Audi RS Q8. Oh, okay then, it's from the UK because it's got some car magazine. But here is the product I've ordered. Let's get rid of this. It's another Qatar Airways 1:400 scale Phoenix model. I've been after this for quite some time and very rare to get hold of, but managed to find a seller on good old eBay, probably why it's been around the world, who was kind enough to sell me his, and apparently it's in brand new condition, unless I've just messed the box up. Oh, bloody hell. How am I struggling even though I've got a knife? The knife's crap. Finally, hopefully this one's in good nick. Cool, so this is a Boeing 777-300ER extended range, registration A7 BEA, 1:400 scale, Phoenix box, Qatar limited edition. Yeah, it's cool. So let's see what the product's like inside. Apparently it's not been opened, but you can tell it has because it's got a little kink there. Whoa, cool. Looks like it's in good nick. It's not combated like my last one. My last Qatar Airways one. Rightio. Yep, it's not falling apart. Everything works. Wow, okay, cool. Here it is. Here is the model. The 777-300. Everything is bang on. Engines are fine. Wings are fine. Actually, really good detail on the actual plane. Don't know if my camera will focus. Maybe not. Maybe it will. Should really invest in a better camera phone. Yeah, so sorry, I think it's a bit blurry. Give me a sec. Right, managed to get some good lighting and managed to get the aircraft in focus. Good detail on the front of the nose of the plane on the 777 Qatar livery. The standard white bottom and grey top. Good detail on the engines with the Qatari goat on there. I don't know actually what that is, so if you can comment down below. You've got the detail on the wings towards the rear of the plane and the wings itself. The rear wings. You've got the antennas at the top. One of the antennas there at the back is a little bit bent, but it's fine, I can live with that. Especially how rare this model is. Good detail actually. Always like Qatar Airways personally. Really good to fly with. Look forward to flying with them hopefully in November. Where hopefully I'll actually be on one of these aircraft. So yeah, really looking forward to that, and then hopefully again in January. Yeah, good detail overall. Very happy with this. Ooh, is this going to stay in focus? Camera struggling, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you tuning in, watching this video. If you could like, share, subscribe to my channel, that would be much appreciated. So at least it'll help me to buy more aircraft models, and hopefully keep the channel going. So yeah, see you on the next one.